So we got the the haul truck about 6 months ago, or 5 or 6 months ago. The had an injector go bad and had to get a new one put in here. Well, the new one took a crap, so got that replaced yesterday. We're gonna see if old Betsy runs a little better now. Let her warm up. We'll take her for a little drive down the road. Probably let the bed down. That might be beneficial. You don't have to let the bed down, but it does help not hit the overhead obstacles. It does help. Boom. Just let her warm up, get some air pressure. Air pressure's built. Let's see what she'll do now. Oh, it already runs 10 times better. It would barely make it up out of the pond. It's funny how one bad injector will cause that. But it doggone was struggling. It was struggling. I'm gonna run over the stone just a little bit, pack it down. The roller died for some reason. That's the next thing to get fixed. It's just been a week of everything breaking. But yeah, for some reason it wouldn't start. I don't know why, but it wouldn't start. So we just left it on the job site. We'll worry about it another day. So we are taking the 250, the dozer, and the truck here are going to another project, another pond. Actually, this is still the first job for the 250. It's been here ever since we bought it, like 6-7 months ago, September. It's been here ever since. We had such a bad streak of weather. So it's going to another project. It's a pond that's leaking through the dam. We got to dig it out and recore it and everything. So we're taking the dozer, the 250, and the truck up there. It shouldn't be but a 2 or 3 day job. And get that knocked out. And then where are we going to after that? I think we got another 3 or 4 acre pond to go build, similar to this right here. So we shall see. It's starting to rain and the low boy should be here any minute. So I'm gonna get this pulled up here since it drives so much better now, and make sure the 250's cleaned off. We'll get her loaded up and hit the highway. We're going to come back and spread the dirt out when it dries out. I started spreading a little bit out yesterday, but that stuff is like slop on the inside. It's just gooey and muddy. So we're going to let that dry for a couple more months, and I can come through with the dozer and spread it out. You can see right here where I did a little bit. It just needs a little more time to dry. About to hit the road. See the load. Nothing better than moving equipment in the pouring down rain. Always makes for fun road trips. I still don't see why it's clearer through the camera than it is in real life. Might as well just drive looking through the camera. It's nice and clear. I can barely see now. That's excavator up there somewhere too. We're behind the dump truck. He's got the bulldozer with the root rake. 250 is on the low boy, and he's going to go back and get the haul truck. We'll see you when we get up there. Now we're all back in a line again. We got the 250 on the low boy behind us. Go find out where we're going. Alright, we're gonna, I don't see no cars coming in the camera. Power line above me. Get unloaded here. We had to dump it off right here in the middle of the road. Just kind of ease off. And over here onto the shoulder. Overflow pipe off on a pond and get it drained down so we can work on it. So what we're getting into, we'll unload the dozer and drive it back there. Alright, park this right here. Cling, 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 here we go. Fall on the dozer, he can drive faster than I can. I'm giving her all she's got. Now she's all she's got. We're in high. Between the barns, down the hill, through the pasture. Here we go, here we go. Cling, 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 cling. I'm trying to catch them. And downhill descent. Woo! Gling, 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 gling. Now this is some pretty land out here. Look at these rolling hills. Yeah, I don't think that would have been a good idea to drive the pickup truck down here. It appears to get a little wet down here in the bottom. Feels like we're about to go pipelining. Get a little hill here. I believe this could get a little muddy when it's wet. Where's this pond? Oh, I think I see the pond way over there. Gling, 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 gling. This appears to be the little pond. It's leaking. That little cedar tree is gonna have to go. These little trees are gonna have to go, not scratching up the machine over some little cedar trees. Not very wide. Not very wide at all. If I can't rip this pipe down I don't want to break the end off. We might not drain it all the way down. I'm gonna try to reach out and rip it off at the shoreline. It's pretty deep right here. Got it in. I felt it crunch.
Yeah, it goes. It's coming out. Well, it ain't fell over.
I didn't want to do it this way. I think I've blocked the pipe now.
Come over this way a little bit more because it's right here. Now go straight. Yeah, there you go.
It must be buried in the dirt really good.
A little more, get straight with it. Got it now. There we go. She should be coming. There we go.
Got a good pipe now.
I think it's hooked up now.
Oh yeah, I think we got good flow now. Got good flow now. Damn thing was 15 feet deep. Alright, let's get off this little narrow ass dam. Come back up here when it's dry. We're gonna put a new overflow system in, by the way. Alright, well I hope you enjoyed our little moving Friday. And we may be back up here Monday or Tuesday. Have a good weekend.